Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Error Genie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 11 update error. Something didn't go as planned, no need to worry, undoing changes for update KB508666672. First, open Windows Update and click on Pause Updates, then click Resume Updates and try installing again. If that doesn't work, type Services in Windows Search and open it. Find Windows Update, double-click it, set it to automatic, click Apply, Start if available, then OK. Right-click it and click Restart. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service and App Readiness. Now go back and hit Retry to install the update. Still not working? Run PowerShell as administrator and execute the commands provided in the description one by one. After that, restart your PC. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator and run the scan commands SFC and DSM. Let each scan complete, then restart your computer. If the issue persists, manually install the update using the Microsoft Update catalog. Search for KB5086672, check your Windows version using WinVer, confirm your system type in Settings. About, download the correct version, install it, and restart. Still not fixed? Go to Windows Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, Fix Problems using Windows. Update and click Reinstall. Also, close or disable any third-party antivirus or background apps. If you have anti-cheat software like Vanguard, uninstall it temporarily, restart your PC, and try again. Last step, use the Media Creation tool. Download it from Microsoft, run the setup, select ISO file, complete the download, then run setup from the ISO. Make sure Keep Personal Files and Apps is checked, then install. One of these methods should fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Error Genie.